Hey, what's going on YouTube? Garnett here. Throughout the workday today, I was scoping out my toolbox situation here in the van, and I realized slowly that I need a lot more organization. So I'm going to tackle this problem the best way I know how, and the cheapest, which is Harbor Freight. So for roughly a grand total of $36, this is what I was able to manage. There's this one piece tray, I think was only $7. This was 10 something, 10.99, $11. And then this was 15, which I wanted longer ones, but we'll see if these work. But yeah, I actually needed longer ones. But let's cut this joint open right now and see how they look. Because, I don't know, is this a real representation of what they are on the front of here? I mean, if so, they might be long enough, but I'm kind of hoping they're longer. I don't really see them specify a length. And that's one thing I do really like about European manufacturers, or brands, so to speak, is that they usually specify a length in millimeters. So you know how long your tool is that you're buying. On something like this would have been crucial information. Would have made me buy it or not buy it. If they're, I don't know, too short. But, yeah, I guess they're long enough. Yeah, I guess those are long enough. But those will just go right in the screwdriver drawer and be a little quick access. I wish at least there would be a T25, but it only goes up to T20. Nice tray though. Yeah, as always. They make it feel really rugged with putting that cord in the back of there. It makes it feel real sturdy, not flimsy. Some of these do too, but we're gonna check. We're gonna put all this stuff in a box. Okay, so now my main eyesores are pretty much this mess, just jumbled, disorganized. I mean, it's organized somewhat, but that one, but mostly this one, this drawer, out of all my drawers, pretty much irritates me. This is actually from Ghidorah, this tray here, but they have since discontinued those things, so I was only able to purchase one, and I think that was like $17 itself. Weird, because this drawer is like a little bit longer than most, and it's a little shallower, so we'll see what I can come up with. So really the first thing I'm going to have to do is get everything out of here. I'll just throw it all up on a workbench here. Let's see what can fit where. Alright, so that didn't take long. I put that there, and I'll show you in a minute where everything else went. But we're going to do a time lapse of me filling this drawer real quick, and then I'm going to switch to the other box and see what we can do with it. So really, that's what I come up with. I couldn't really find a good place. Really, what I needed was multiples of this long one, and then I could have more optimized space in there. But it looks a little bit better than it did before. So we'll run it like that, and we'll see how I like it after a while. Does this close? Yes. All right. So yeah, that's what we'll do there. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to have no problem fitting that screwdriver set up in here, just because I have a bunch of duplicate stuff in here. I'm probably going to take them out of this and just stack them on there like that. That's generally how I run it, but good enough for me. Okay, and now for the final project. Let me see how I can set you up and look at this one. Oh, I don't know about you, but I think that looks a lot better. I think even that one would fit in there, but not together with that, obviously. But like, I think I want to see if I can use that one somewhere else. But like, yeah, this looks a lot better than what I had it. I feel, at least. I don't know. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if you think I'm wrong. Which a lot of you think I'm wrong a lot of times. So it's not new to me. Look at that. Look at that. Even better. Even better organization. Look at that. I love it. Yeah. I don't know why I have two. Well, I guess that makes sense. But yeah, I like that a lot better than the way I had it before. Yeah, we're making steps in the right direction. I think I need to do something with this drawer next, but I don't. That's a little shallow of a drawer, so very shallow of a drawer, actually. There's the money drawer. Yeah, I got a lot of space in this box. A lot of space in this box. Yeah, look at all the space I got in this box. Just oodles of space. Ooh, don't pull that drawer out, it'll fall. Alright, so I did go back and figure out how to fit everything in that drawer. The reason being, these are striking cap screwdrivers, but the Ghidorah ones are my favorite, probably even over the PB Swiss. I like their PB Swiss are a second to me. The Ghidorahs are my favorite, but those are striking cap, and I don't want to get in the habit of using those in a situation because I always mess with the electrics. So these don't have through shanks. I don't want to be in a situation where I'm by default picking up a through shank when I might be working on something electric. I want to default to pick up something that is not a through shank, if you get what I'm saying. Well, alright guys, that about does it. It's getting really dark outside, so I'm about to take my butt in the house, but I'll see you in the next one. But you know what? I actually forgot to show you guys what I did with the other stuff, so where's this light at? Alright, so the other torque wrench went right there with that torque wrench. That's my Snap-on A-Tech, and I just, put it right there with the other one, and then that breaker bar went there, right there next to the bigger 3/4 icon. Yeah, that's the 1/2-inch breaker bar right there. So, yeah. And this thing, I'm going to figure out what I can do with it in my home. So, that's it. Finally. Really, us as field service techs in this business, you got to make use of every square inch. So it probably will evolve over time, but hey, that's it. That's all I have for you. If you'd like, you can check out my social medias, link below, or my support links, also link below. But I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.